everyone, and welcome back to Square One Kitchen. Today we are making zucchini gnocchi. Now gnocchi is normally made with potatoes, which you have to cook first, whereas this one is much faster, easier, tidier, and quicker, and much healthier. No matter how much zucchini you have, it's really easy to scale the recipe up or down. First time my dad made this, I actually don't like zucchini. I know, shocker. He didn't tell me there was any zucchini in it. He just said it was normal gnocchi. And I didn't taste the zucchini, and now I don't really care because I can't taste it, and because they are really soft and delicious. Add the flour into the blender. We normally do it in 2 halves so it doesn't get too lumpy, and you kind of just want to keep adding the flour until you get a nice doughy consistency. It'll take a few seconds until it forms a dough, but once it does form a dough, you'll know it's a dough. Put flour on your surface, and then put the dough down and the flour on top so you can knead it nicely. You're going to take a small chunk of your dough and roll it out into a nice thin, but not too thin, a nice like about 1 centimeter sausage, and you're going to want to cut that up to make the little gnocchi balls. This will normally give you about like 8 to 12 little sausage, which will give you quite a bit of gnocchi, enough to feed like a family of 3 to 4. Once you are done rolling cutting, you're going to want to spread it out on a tray. You can freeze these for later, or you can stick them in a boiling pot of water and boil them. Don't forget to add some salt because it helps it boil and it adds a bit of flavor. I'd suggest cooking them in batches so they don't stick together. Now the good thing about gnocchi is when it's done, it rises to the top. The bad thing about gnocchi is when it's done, it rises to the top, so you don't have to throw it against a wall and see if it sticks. I know, I'm sorry. We like to serve ours with marinara sauce, but it's up to you. Add it to a pot of sauce of your choice. Bon appetit. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.